So here we're going to look at the SSA case, and this one we have to be careful because there are two possible triangles, and I would want you to look at the notes on Canvas about this particular kind of problem. I have explained all the steps you have to follow. So here the first thing I'm going to do is to sketch it. So I sketch my triangle. So this is angle A, which is 94. So this is going to be B, and this is C, and this is side B, side A, and side C, which is equals to 13. And here you can see I'm given one angle and I'm given two sides, and you can see that the angle is not between those two sides. That's why we are calling it the SSA. So I'm going to write my ratios here, my proportion. So 18 over sine of 94 is equals to 13 over sine C is equals to B over sine B. And I'm going to use the first two proportions, and here I want you to notice that we are looking for the angle. So I'm going to write sine, I cross multiply, so I get 18 sine C is equals to 13 sine of 94 degrees. So I get sine C is equals to 13 sine 94 divided by 18, and sine C, when I put this in the calculator, I get 0.7205 to 4 decimal place. So I'm going to find the angle. So to find the angle, remember we use the sine inverse. So I'm going to use sine inverse of 0.7205, which is going to be, when I put it in the calculator, it's going to be 46.1 degrees. So I know angle C, so I'm going to put here 46.1 degrees, and so angle B here is going to be 39.9 degrees. So I got all the angles in that triangle, but I have to remember here, let me check whether another angle or triangle is possible. So I'm going to because I know that sine is positive in quadrant 1 and 2, so I need to check quadrant 2. To check quadrant 2, I'm going to do 180 minus 46.1, and when I subtract this, I get 100, and this is going to be 133.9. And when I take this angle and I add the angle which was given at the beginning, 94, it's going to be more than 180. So I know a second triangle not possible. Second triangle not possible. So when I'm doing the SSA case, I need to make sure I check that. So I'm now going to proceed with what I was doing before. So I need to find side B. So I'm going to, let me write the ratios here. 18 over sine of 94 is equals to B over sine of 39.9. So this gives me B sine 94 is equals to 18 sine 39.9 degrees. and then I get B is equals to 18 sine 39.9 divided by sine of 94 degrees, and that's going to give me, I put that in the calculator and I work it out, and B is going to be 11.6. Okay, so that will be the answer for that problem.